Hey everyone, welcome to Smart Home. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of finding the serial number and model of your Samsung TV. Whether you need it for warranty purposes or just for your records, knowing where to find this information is crucial. So let's dive right in. First off, let's locate the serial number. The serial number is a unique identifier for your TV and is often required for product registration and support services. To find the serial number, you'll typically need to look at the back of your TV. It's usually located on a sticker or a plate along with other important information. The serial number is a combination of letters and numbers and is often labeled as SIN or serial number. Here it is. Make sure to jot down this number and keep it in a safe place. Now, let's move on to finding the model number of your Samsung TV. The model number helps identify the specific model and specifications of your TV, which can be useful when seeking support or purchasing accessories. One way to find the model number is by accessing the TV's menu. Simply press the menu button on your remote control, and using the arrow keys, navigate to the support or settings section. Within the settings menu, you should find an option labeled About this T or something similar. Select that option, and there you'll see the model number listed along with other information about your TV. Voila, that's your model number right there. Just like the serial number, it's a good idea to jot this down for future reference. Conclusion. And there you have it. Now you know how to find both the serial number and model number of your Samsung TV. Remember, keeping track of these numbers can come in handy, especially when seeking technical support or warranty services. Thanks for watching.